Setting up a server on G8Keeper is a very simple and straightforward task which can be completed in 2 minutes. All you need is root access to the server via SSH to complete this process. Here are the steps needed to set up a server on G8Keeper. Log into your G8Keeper account. Navigate to Monitor Servers tab. On this tab, click on the plus icon on the top right. This will open a pop-up. On the pop-up, enter a server name. The name should be such that you can easily relate to which server this is. Add a server description. You need to select a plan. Advanced plan allows you to have access to all the G8Keeper features on the server. Once done, click Save. This will save the server details. Now is the time to set up agent on the server. You need to be logged into server via SSH with a user that has root access. Click on the Install Instructions icon on the menu bar and click Copy icon to copy the command. Then paste the command you copied from Install Instructions and click Enter. This will complete the install and G8Keeper will start capturing the data from the server. G8Keeper agent is now all set on the server, and within 2 to 3 minutes data will start appearing on your G8Keeper dashboard. You can navigate to dashboard to view all the data that is being captured. This completes the agent setup process. In the description of the video we have provided a detailed link for pricing plan. You can navigate to the page to view all details about the features and pricing.